So remember that random video that I made? Well, this time I'm doing part 2. Anyways, go!
OMG, look at her freaking hat. Does he really think he's a boy? Unbelievable.
What were you saying again? Go on, tell me in my face, sweetie.
Do you really think you're a boy?
Wrong answer. Time to go fight in the middle of the night.
Wait, please. I could give you $5 if that's okay. Oh my god, look at her fur. She doesn't even look like his parents. So ugly. What a poopy. Especially his little brother, Sleepy. He's such a yellow pee-pee guy. How did you just crack your neck like that?
I would love to hear you say that one more time, you little piece of crap.
You are a piece of crap, idiot.
You shouldn't be talking back to me, you little nigga. Whoa. You know that this is literally just a video. You shouldn't be cussing. Now start over with your freaking voice acting. Okay, ma'am, I will.
Oh my god, why is everybody in love with that dumb little bunny? He is so fat, I can't believe everybody's in love with him.
Oi! Excuse me, ma'am, but I don't think you shouldn't be talking about body shaming, especially me. Also, nice little bow you got there, but that's for 8-year-olds like you.
And you have no right to talk back about my bow. I got it from my grandma.
Oh, I got it from my grandma. I ate my grandma!
Ooh, so scary, says one of the people. I can't believe they're scared out of this ugly blind woman.
Wait, what you doing? First of all, my name is not woman. I am Miss Bun. Also, you do not deserve a mom. Now, it's time for you to die.
Hey girls, look, it's that little fat little bubbly guy. Excuse me, did you just copy me? Excuse me, did you just copy me? Stop copying me this instant.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Blah, blah.
OMG, look at Instagram. Everybody's talking about Honey, and he's not even that powerful, bro.
OMG, can I see, please? I'm a huge fan of Honey. Just give me your freaking phone right now.
Wait, what are you doing? Hey, stop! Stop hitting me!
Give me your phone right now! Now! Give me right now!